Pues acá andamos haciendo una reparacióncita de Sheetrock. Ya eché la primera mano del tape en bed y tengo la pistola secando. Y vamos a emparejar aquí porque le pusieron un material diferente que no quisieron gastar en Sheetrock de 5 ochos. Le metieron de media y quedó más bajito, así es que vamos a tratar de emparejarle lo más posible. Y vamos a poner las llaves, vamos a poner el gabinetito de la esquina, pero primero vamos a machar la textura. Vamos a poner el toilet del gabinete y vamos a pintar la paredcita esa de atrás. Y pues ahí andamos. Cualquier cosa, echen una llamadita ahí al 469-579-2922. Ahí está. So today we are doing a Sheetrock repair in a restroom. Somebody else installed the Sheetrock, but they used ½ inch instead of 5/8, which is what we needed here. So I gotta build that up with another coat of mud. And as soon as everything dries up, we will continue with the second hand of mud. And then after that we'll do the texture, install the cabinet, but we'll probably paint the wall first. So that's the number if you need any type of Sheetrock work, 469-579-2922, any type of home remodeling work, we can do that for you. So with that being said, guys, have a good one, God bless you all, and have a great day. Esta es la última mano de masa que le echo. Ya después de esta, en lo que se seque, una lijadita y ya se echa la textura. So this is the last coat of joint compound. And as soon as it dries, I'll be sanding it down a little bit, and then I'll be able to shoot the texture. And as soon as I do the texture, just some paint and put back the toilet and the cabinet, and that's it. We're done. Ya nomás falta que se seque un poquito más y darle una limpiadita con la lija y ya se entra la textura, se pinta y ponemos las llaves y el gabinete y el toilet y ya, es todo. Es que si tienen algún trabajo de remodelación, if you have a remodeling job, give us a call at 469-579-2922. Si ocupan remodelación, llamen al 469-579-2922. Hello everybody, so this is Tino with Tino's Painting and Flooring. Today I'm trying out this pre-mixed texture. Got the little gun. So we're going to get started. First of all, we gotta hook up the little texture bag. Make sure it's nice and tight. We're gonna put the air on it, and we gotta squeeze with our hands, and we're gonna test it on the little wall over there. And if I like it, then we'll go from there. Like it, so we're gonna go with it. There's gonna be as close as possible to the other texture that we had on there already. And now we gotta let it dry before we start painting. And this texture, we're done with it. Let's go. Bueno, pues venimos otra vez a seguir trabajando aquí en el bañito de ayer. Me falta echar el grout aquí. Puse un gabinete nuevecito. Ya está conectado toda la plomería. Agua caliente, agua fría. Y había puesto el toilet, pero este toilet resultó que tiene una estrella de aquí, en esto de aquí, así es que cuando le flochan estaba tirando agua. So this toilet had a crack on this side, on the front, on the ceramic. So the client decided that they wanted to change it, so I had already installed it, so I'm taking it apart and I'm gonna have space to put a brand new one. And as soon as I put that one, I just gotta do the grout and that's it, they will be done. I finished painting all the walls and installing this yesterday. So that's what we're doing today. So if you need any type of work, 469-579-2922, Tino's Painting in Florida. And we're done just cleaning up now. So we're done with the grout, we're done with the little cabinet, and we had to make a backsplash for that. We seal it with clear silicone so that no water goes over the place, and we got the new toilet working. Okay, so we're done just cleaning up and going home. If you need a remodeling work, 469-579-2922, and we will help you out.